Good morning, students. How are you? We have to start exercise 1.4. Before starting the exercise 1.4, we try to understand the following points carefully. First, factor. What is factor? You don't know, then here is a factor. Exact divisor of any number is called factor. Example 4 and 32. When you divided 32 by 4, then you are getting remainder 0. Therefore, 4 is a factor of 32. Second, prime number. A number which has exactly two factors, 1 and number itself, is called prime number. Example 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. And 2 is the smallest prime number. And 2 is the only even prime number. Now come to composite number. A number which has more than two factors is called composite number. Example 4, 6, 8, 9. 4 is the smallest composite number because it has three factors 1, 2 and 4. 9 is the smallest odd composite number. Now come to number 9. Next, prime factorization. What is prime factorization? Prime factorization is the decomposition of a composite number into a smaller integer, and all the smaller integer must be prime number. Example, prime factorization of 12. 12 is equal to 2 into 6. It is not prime factorization of 12 because 6 is a composite number. Again, therefore, that 12 is equal to 2 into 3 is a correct prime factorization of 12 because each factor is a prime number. Now, how to find the LCM and HCF of using prime factorization? Let's try to understand with the example. Example, find LCM of 8, 9 and 12. First, find the prime factorization of given number. 8 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2. 9 is equal to 3 into 3 is equal to 3 square. And 12 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 is equal to 12 square. So, HCF of this is equal to product of the smallest power of each common prime factor. So, here only 1 is the common in the prime factorization of given number, whose power is 1. Therefore, HCF is 1. But LCM is equal to what? So, product of the greatest power of each prime factor involved in the number. Here, greatest power of 2 is 3 and greatest power of 3 is 2. Therefore, LCM is equal to 3 square into 2 cube is equal to 9 into 8, 72. So, for any two positive integer, product of their LCM and HCF is equal to the product of both integers. Example 52 and 91. 52 is equal to 2 into 13 is equal to 2 square into 13. 91 is equal to 7 into 13. So, HCF is equal to 13. LCM is equal to 2 square because highest power of 2 is 2. Highest power of 7 is 1 and highest power of 13 is 1. 13 1 is equal to 364. Now, HCF into LCM is equal to 13 into 364 is equal to 4732. 91 into 52 is equal to 4732. Therefore, the 91 into 52 is equal to HCF of 5291 into LCM of 5291. Now, we start exercise 1.2. Express the each number as a prime factorization. Actually, you have done in class, junior classes. So, 140 is equal to 2 into 5 into 7, 2 square into 5 into 7. 156 is equal to 2 into 13 into 3 is equal to 2 square into 3 into 13. 3825 is equal to 3 into 5 into 5 into 17 is equal to 3 square into 5 square into 17. Remaining sum will be the two sums will be the homework. So now come to question number 2. Find the LCM and HCF of the following pair of integers and verified that LCM into HCF is equal to product of this number. So we have 26 into 2 into 13. 91 is equal to 7 into 13. Here 31 is the smallest power of the common factor 13. Therefore, SCF of 26 and 91 is 13. Here greatest power of the prime factors 2, 7 and 13 is 1. Therefore, LCM is equal to 2 into 7 into 13 is equal to 182. Now LCM into SCF of 26 and 91 is equal to 180 into 3, that is 2336. Now 26 into 91 is equal to 2366. Therefore, LCM into SCF is equal to 26 into 91. Again, question number 2, 510 and 92. So 510 prime factors is given, 92 is also given. Now SCF is 500, SCF of 510, 92 is equal to 2. LCM is equal to 23,462. Now LCM of 510 and 92 and into SCF of 592 is equal to this 23 into 96. And 510 into 92 is equal to 46,920. Therefore, this is equal to this. Therefore, LCM into this. Therefore, LCM into SCF of 510 into 92 is equal to 510 into 92. Now come to question number 3. Find the LCM and SCF of the following integers. So we have 12 is equal to 2a square into 3. 15 is equal to 3 into 5. 21 is equal to 3 into 7. So SCF is equal to 3. LCM is equal to 2a square into 3 into 5 into 7 is equal to 420. Remaining two sum will homework. Now come to question number 4. So SCF of 306 and 657 is 9. Now find the LCM. So LCM is equal to product of given two numbers divided by SCF is equal to 306 into 73 is equal to this. Exercise 1, question number 1, 4 and 5 homework. Question number 2, 2 and 3 homework. 3, 2 and 3 and question number 5. If any doubt, ask me. Okay, thank you. Have a good day.